The world of supply chains is changing in front of our very eyes. Warehouses are becoming fully automated, computers are learning on their own, and trucks are even driving themselves. That's why here on LokadTV, we're keeping you up to date with the latest changes in the industry. We challenge the status quo.
Let's make enemies today, leaving the data science and trying new models, and for these people to become the new leaders.
And strive to understand topics such as forecasting, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain, to name just a few. We talk to the experts at the top of their game and get their views on the future of the industry.
To have some skills to how to talk to a data scientist, which is handling these tons of data. So all those people need to be able to work and to talk together. So we don't ask to look for a unicorn.
I know a lot of companies were created based on AI by people who don't know anything about AI.
The world is changing, and it's changing quickly.
So subscribe to LokadTV today to find out how you can achieve less stockouts, higher profits, and ultimately stay one step ahead.